What's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day. Okay, so this is kind of a different video where I'm going to give you a strategy on how you can start making $100. So guys, let's get started. Before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, first thing first, okay, within I think so I started a series on YouTube. If you have not checked it out, just go and check it out. Again, just creating ads just took me 4 or 5 days to create ads. Again, I show you different kinds of ads to create. You can run on Google, you can run on Bing. Okay, so that's it. So again, only that training will make you start earning $100 a day. Okay, I would say just do it. Okay, stop making excuses that you don't need another course, you don't need another video. This is enough. Okay, I was in your place once. Again, just learning from YouTube, and I'm just buying courses, learning from YouTube, and then just buying cheap courses on just downloading from torrents and all of those things. But again, I just realized I just need to start doing it. So currently right now, with only the training I give you, you can start making $100 a day. No excuses, just start doing it. Okay, but you'll be like, yeah, but I need this, I need that. No, just start doing it. I'll give you an overview on how to do it. So just give me a second, let me share my screen. So as you could see my screen, okay guys, so I've showed you all of these things, how to run branded on Bing and on Google, how to do how to run competition, how to run generic. Okay, so ignore the display, you don't need it. But again, generic and branding. So literally now your action plan is select 5 products from Clickbank. 1 2 3 4 5 products from Clickbank. Okay, then run ads for $100. Okay, for each of them. So that means 100 and then $100 for each of them. So total is $500 you'll run. Okay, and run both generic plus branded. Okay, plus branded. So just decide you need to invest $500. Just run ads, total of 5 products, and again $100 branded and generic. Once that's done, again, trust me, 4 out of 5 would fail. You would fail, trust me. So have that expectation that not all your campaigns would start making money. 90% of them won't make money at all. Okay, just clear this thing out. All these YouTubers say that they make money on the first campaign. That's not the truth. You run 4 or 5 campaigns. From that 4 or 5 campaigns, you start making money with one campaign. So literally, let's say you run 5 campaigns, you lost money on, let me see, you lost money in the first campaign, second campaign, third campaign, fourth campaign. Okay, even in the 5th campaign you lost money, but then you'll realize, you'll see a pattern where you see that in that 5th campaign there was this one keyword. Okay, can be, let's say we are promoting a fat loss product, so that can be weight loss diuretic. Okay, so again, weight loss diuretic is making you money. Okay, now what you do is just that one keyword or one product, create a winning campaign. Okay, create a winning campaign, sorry my writing is bad, and then run ads. Okay, imagine that would make you $1,000. Okay, that would make you $1,000 and you would recover your money. So always keep, you need to spend $100 on a product or 100 clicks. Okay, if it doesn't make you money, just don't run. Okay, don't say that you're gonna make money. Try different products, run 5 products, and then once you make money with one product, focus on that, ignore the rest. Okay, so that's how it is. And I think so, just go and start doing it. Okay, just do it, because currently right now you know everything. Okay, trust me, don't say you don't know anything. You know everything. If you have watched my series, you know everything, you understand everything. Just start running ads. And I think so this is it for this series. I'm not gonna create more series because I need some time to make campaigns and make money myself as well, because again, shooting videos, editing it, and then it's need to remove time for that as well. So now after a week I'll create a video on my earnings, and also I would find new ways to make money online. It could be Facebook ads, native ads. So that's it guys, and if you have any questions, do message me on Instagram. And trust me guys, you know everything, just start doing it. If you need some help, just message me on Instagram. And I think so that's it. Yavar Khan signing off, and trust me, just start doing it, okay? And if you really like this video, please consider subscribing, and I will see you the next time.